Well, I mentioned in a previous video the solar generator and what we do when we're boondocking, why the solar generator is so helpful. I'll show you a little bit about what I do with it. First of all, it's the Ecoflow Delta. This battery keeps us from, they call it a solar generator, but it keeps us from having to have an inverter when we're boondocking. It gives us power anytime we want. And we make coffee with it, and we do other things with it, but I wanted to show you just how easy it is. So I plug in my coffee maker into here. I have just a heater, a water heater, and this is a Berkey. So we fill our Berkey up with water out of the bags. This is really helpful to, when you're out camping, you never know what kind of water you get. So having the ability to filter water is really helpful. So turn it on, get the water out of the Berkey, put that up, make myself a cup of coffee. This is why I said earlier, why having the solar generator just makes things so much easier, and having the Berkey, to filter water makes things so much easier. So these are some of the boondocking items you're gonna want to have if you're not connected to power, which is a much better way. One, you save money on the campsite. You don't have to pay $30, $40, $50, what have you. And you don't always have neighbors nearby, which is also very nice. So this method, my wife and I used to own a coffee shop, and so we're kind of maybe coffee snobs, but one of the best coffees that we like is just a pour over, where you heat up the water, pour it over in your coffee grounds. Gives you a nice fresh cup of coffee. It's a quick, easy way of being able to get a cup, but as you can see, it's heating up. It only takes a couple minutes. Right now we're at 60% power, and I think it's taking 57 amps of power, and at this rate it would last for about 35 minutes. But the coffee maker takes a lot of power to heat up, so this battery actually will run for a very long time. One of the big benefits to this Ecoflow Delta, and it's really worth knowing, is when I am ready to charge this up, I turn on the generator, and this will charge in an hour and a half, from 0 to 100%. Most of the solar batteries out there take hours on end. That was one of the big reasons why I bought this, is because I could charge it quickly. So I will at some point turn on the generator, plug this into the RV. It'll be charged up in an hour, hour and a half, and then I get another day or two worth of power out of it. I could use it for my CPAP at nighttime. We use it to plug in our phones. We use it to plug in our computer, our laptop. We also use it for heating up coffee. Of course, we could do this on the stove, but this is just a lot more convenient and faster. So it's boiling. It would shut off on its own, but it's hot enough for me. So I'll just pour over the hot water, and within a couple minutes I have my cup of coffee. So quick, easy way to make coffee when you're boondocking, having that solar generator battery. This is the Ecoflow Delta. I think it was I believe it's selling for about $800 or $900 now. I will put a description below. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I just love having the battery. Biggest benefit for me was the fact that it charges in an hour and a half. generator all day just to charge it up. So these are some of the tools that we use when we're boondocking that make boondocking a whole lot easier. Having a Berkey is always helpful, and having the solar generator is great. So that's it for now. Just wanted to show you the process I go through making a cup of coffee out in the middle of nowhere. So enjoy. Subscribe if you would, if you haven't already. I have more videos coming out, and hope you like this content. Take care. Goodbye.